opposition leaders will be doing today after their show of strength in Delhi's Ram Leela Maidan against the arrest of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal back in March. INTIA bloc leaders will now hold yet another rally, this time in Ranchi. This has been termed the Ulgulan Nyay Rally. Leaders from across 14 political parties, including the Congress, the RJD, the National Conference, as well as the Samajwadi Party, will in fact be convening and will be taking part in this rally. Mallikarjun Kharge, Rahul Gandhi, Lalu Prasad Yadav, Farooq Abdullah, Akhilesh Yadav will be present on the dais in Ranchi in Jharkhand. This rally is being led by Jharkhand Mukti Morcha and will be held in the Prabhat Tara ground. Preparations are underway on the ground today morning. Remember viewers, battle for 14 constituencies in Jharkhand will commence on the 13th of May. That is when the fourth phase of the elections will take place, and it will end on June 1st. That is the penultimate phase of the elections. Joining us on the broadcast live is my colleague Anand Singh. Anand, over to you. Yet another show of strength by the opposition is going to take place, this time in Jharkhand. Earlier, of course, they had backed the Aam Aadmi Party after Arvind Kejriwal was arrested, and this time they are sending a message against the action that has taken place against former Jharkhand Chief Minister Hemant Soren.
Yeah, it was former Jharkhand Chief Minister Hemant Soren who was arrested by ED in the illegal mining case in Jharkhand. And then it was followed by Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal last month. So we have been saying that how this political turmoil has been taking place over the allegations put up by the opposition leader of misusing the central agency ahead of the crucial Lok Sabha elections. And today's rally marks the beginning of India Alliance biggest rally in joint campaign in Ranchi, where most of the tallest leaders of the opposition parties like Congress Party Chief Mallikarjun Kharge, Rahul Gandhi, then Jharkhand Mukti Morcha leader Kalpana Soren, who is also the wife of Hemant Soren, will be there, and several other opposition leaders from the several parts of the country will be joining them in the rally over there today. However, it is also necessary to mention that how the posters of former Jharkhand Chief Minister and Arvind Kejriwal have been put up over there to highlight how the central agencies have been misused against the opposition parties to target them ahead of the crucial Lok Sabha elections.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.